Discover what the last digit of your birth year reveals about you in 2025. Have you ever wondered how the last digit of your birth year could shape your life in 2025? Numbers have deep symbolic meanings, and today we will uncover the secrets behind each digit and what it means for your future. Stay tuned till the end to discover what 2025 holds for you. Numbers are more than just figures. They are vibrations that align with our energy and destiny. In numerology, each number carries a unique frequency that can influence our thoughts, actions, and life events. Let's dive deeper into how the last digit of your birth year can reveal hidden truths about your path in 2025. Understanding numerology and life cycles. Before we explore each digit, it's important to understand how numerology works. Every number vibrates at a specific frequency, affecting our personality and life path. Numerology breaks life into 9-year cycles, and 2025 could be a pivotal year depending on your cycle. These cycles guide personal growth, challenges, and opportunities. Recognizing where you are in your life cycle will help you harness the energy of your birth year's last digit more effectively. Digit 0. If your birth year ends in 0, 2025 is the year for new beginnings. This is your time to break free from old patterns and embrace fresh opportunities. 0 symbolizes infinite potential and spiritual growth. Engage in self-development practices like journaling, meditation, or even learning a new skill. Networking and attending workshops can also introduce you to new ideas and opportunities. Career. Explore entrepreneurial ventures or innovative projects. Take leadership in initiating new ideas. Relationships. Rebuild and renew personal relationships. Be open to forming meaningful connections. Health. Focus on mental wellness. Incorporate mindfulness and physical wellness routines. Digit 1. For those born in a year ending with 1, leadership and independence will define your 2025. This year brings dynamic energy for trailblazers. Focus on goal setting, personal empowerment, and innovation. Expand your horizons by attending leadership seminars and networking with industry leaders. Career. Launch new ventures, lead projects, or climb the corporate ladder. Relationships. Maintain individuality while fostering supportive relationships. Health. Prioritize physical fitness and energy-boosting habits. Digit 2. If your birth year ends in 2, 2025 will bring balance and harmony. Focus on communication and partnerships. Teamwork and collaboration will yield success. Explore hobbies that connect you with others, such as group fitness classes or community service. Career. Work well with others to achieve shared goals. Relationships. Strengthen partnerships through empathy and trust. Health. Engage in calming activities to maintain emotional balance. Digit 3. Born in a year ending with 3, creativity and self-expression will guide you in 2025. Explore creative outlets and share your talents with the world. Consider joining art groups or public speaking clubs to enhance your self-expression. Career. Shine in creative industries or innovation-focused roles. Relationships. Use your charm to build and strengthen connections. Health. Embrace joyful activities like dancing, art, or music. Digit 4. If your birth year ends in 4, 2025 is about building a strong foundation. Prioritize planning and structure. Long-term success will stem from hard work and discipline. Set clear goals and break them into achievable steps. Career. Focus on growth through consistency and organization. Relationships. Build secure, stable relationships. Health. Develop a structured health routine. Digit 5. For those born in a year ending with 5, 2025 will be full of adventure. This year brings change and excitement. Embrace new experiences and take calculated risks. Travel, meet new people, and expand your horizons. Career. Consider shifting industries or pursuing freelance work. Relationships. Explore diverse social circles. Health. Stay active through adventurous activities. Digit 6. If your birth year ends in 6, 2025 is a year of love and responsibility. Family and community involvement will be fulfilling. Take time to nurture relationships and engage in service-oriented activities. Career, thrive in caregiving or community-focused roles. Relationships, deepen family bonds and long-term partnerships. Health, focus on emotional healing and balance. Digit 7. Born in a year ending with 7, 2025 will be about introspection and spiritual growth. This is a year for self-discovery. Spend time reflecting on life goals and inner peace. Meditation, nature walks and spiritual learning will be beneficial. Careers in research, education or spirituality will prosper. Relationships, seek depth and understanding in connections. Health, prioritize mental and emotional wellness. Digit 8. If your birth year ends in 8, get ready for financial growth in 2025. Focus on investments and career advancement. Strategic planning and disciplined actions will lead to success. Explore financial education to maximize gains. Career, expect promotions, raises or successful business ventures. Relationships, balance personal and professional relationships. Health, manage stress to maintain physical health. Digit 9. For those with birth years ending in 9, 2025 brings completion and transformation. Let go of past burdens to make room for new beginnings. Focus on humanitarian work and personal growth. Career, pursue meaningful, purpose-driven work. Relationships, heal and release toxic connections. Health, engage in cleansing and detox practices. Conclusion, each digit carries unique energy that can guide you through the year. Which number resonates with you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights. Stay tuned for more exciting content.